Did you know that water buffalo milk has almost double the fat and 40% more protein than regular cow's milk? Now imagine that richness turned into something soft, stretchy, and luxurious. Yes, we're talking about the real star of Italian kitchens, buffalo mozzarella. But before it melts on your pizza, it begins here, with millions of mighty buffaloes. Welcome to the world of buffalo farming. A world where milk isn't just milk. It's gourmet gold. Buffalo farming thrives in countries like Vietnam, India, Thailand, China, and Indonesia. Places where agriculture runs deep in the culture. Modern farms are more than barns and mud. They're sprawling, well-organized ecosystems. Buffaloes roam freely in wide green pastures, shaded by trees, and cooled by purpose-built mud baths. Not a luxury, but a necessity. The thick, cool mud helps regulate their body temperature and keeps them calm and happy, essential for high-quality milk. Farmers take their diet seriously. A daily menu? Think green roughage like grass, leaves, and straw, topped with bran, corn, and rice. A hearty buffet for happy buffaloes. And when it's time to collect that rich, creamy milk, milking machines and rotary systems take over, fast, clean, and efficient. The result? Fresh buffalo milk, ready to be transformed into something divine. The moment the milk hits the industrial pasteurization tanks, the transformation begins. Special enzymes and intermediates are added, a magical blend that starts the coagulation process. Soon, the milk curdles, forming large, soft blocks of curd. Workers then slice these blocks into smaller chunks, prepping them for the next stage. Hot water. Heated to 92 to 95 degrees Celsius, and precise acid levels are added. This heat and acid combo separates the whey, liquid, from the curds, solid, setting the stage for mozzarella's unique texture. What's left behind is a creamy, elastic substance, ready to be stretched, kneaded, and shaped. Now, here's where the artistry begins. Using practiced hands, workers pull and stretch the curds into long silky strands, the very soul of mozzarella. Once smooth and elastic, the cheese is shaped into soft round balls, or braided into stretchy di mozzarella, a stunning, twisted delicacy. The final shape isn't just for looks. It defines texture, moisture, and how the cheese behaves when melted. Next stop, the brine bath. Mozzarella balls are gently placed into salty water, a crucial step that enhances flavor, firms the outer layer, and acts as a natural preservative. After the cheese has rested and absorbed flavor from the brine, it's ready for packaging. Whether it's vacuum sealed for freshness or placed gently into brine tubs, every step is designed to preserve that melt-in-your-mouth texture. When it arrives at your kitchen, it's just as soft, fresh, and delicate as the day it was made. Mozzarella comes in many forms: big balls, braided ropes, bite-sized pearls, or finely shredded packs. Its versatility is why mozzarella dominates the world's tables, from steamy lasagnas to fresh caprese salads. And there you have it. What started with a mud-covered buffalo in Southeast Asia ends as the creamy heart of Italian cuisine. Each bite you take is more than just cheese. It's the result of biology, tradition, and craftsmanship, wrapped in one stretchable, lovable product. So next time you tear into a slice of pizza, remember that gooey stretch, that rich, creamy pull? It started with a buffalo, a bath of mud, and a whole lot of heart.